Why do businesses, small and large, crave for efficient reporting tools? The answer is simple. In a world where data is the new oil, the ability to process and present information in a comprehensible and visually appealing manner is a game changer. Today, we delve into the world of Jasper Reports, a powerful reporting tool that has been making waves in the data analysis domain. Next, you design your report template. The iReport Designer is a useful tool here. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create report templates. Think of it as sketching out the blueprint of your data analysis structure. After designing the report template, it's time to connect your data source. With Jasper Reports, you can connect to a wide range of data sources, from databases and XML files to custom data sources. It's like choosing the right building materials for your structure. Output. Now comes the fun part, filling your report with data. You'll use a Jasper Fill Manager for this. This powerful tool fills the data from your data source into your report template. It's akin to pouring concrete into your foundation. The final step is to view your report. Jasper Reports provides a Jasper viewer for this purpose, allowing you to preview your report in a user-friendly format. It's like admiring the completed structure, all shiny and new. But what if you want to export your report? Jasper Reports has got you covered. It supports a wide range of export formats, including PDF, HTML, Excel, CSV, and more. It's like taking high-quality photos of your structure to share with the world. To recap, the journey through Jasper Reports begins with setting up the library, followed by designing your report template. Next, you connect your data source and fill your report with data. Finally, you view your report and, if necessary, export it in a format of your choice. Remember, the world of data is vast and constantly evolving. Tools like Jasper Reports equip you with the ability to navigate this world with ease and efficiency. So take the plunge, delve into data, and let Jasper Reports guide you through your journey. The world of data awaits.